Welcome to the incredible journey of life. Have you ever wondered how a single moment sparks the creation of a whole new person? From millions of determined sperm to a miraculous new heartbeat, this story takes you through the fascinating process of fertilization and early development. Get ready to dive into the science, beauty, and mystery of how life begins. The journey of fertilization and early development. During ejaculation, approximately 300 million sperm are released from the testes and travel through the vas deferens toward the prostate gland. At this point, the prostate contracts, sealing off the connection between the bladder and the urethra to ensure only semen is expelled. The prostate also secretes a fluid that combines with the sperm, forming semen. The role of semen. Semen is a thick, alkaline fluid designed to protect sperm from the acidic environment of the female vagina. Enzymes from the prostate liquefy the gel-like semen, aiding sperm mobility, while sugars in the fluid provide energy for the sperm. After ejaculation, the seminal plasma remains in the vagina, while the sperm begin their journey toward the egg. Navigating the female reproductive system. Using their tails for movement, sperm swim through the cervical mucus that guards the uterus entrance. During ovulation, this mucus becomes thinner and less acidic, creating an environment more favorable for sperm survival. Around day 14 of the menstrual cycle, the ovary releases an egg, which travels to the ampullariismic junction of the fallopian tube, where it rests for about 30 hours, waiting for fertilization. Sperm face a tough journey through the vagina, cervix, uterus, and fallopian tubes, with only the strongest and healthiest sperm surviving to reach the egg. This natural selection helps ensure that the healthiest sperm fertilizes the egg, increasing the likelihood of a healthy baby. Although some sperm may reach the fallopian tubes within minutes of ejaculation, these early arrivals are unlikely to fertilize the egg. Sperm can remain viable in the female reproductive tract for up to 5 days. Fertilization in the fallopian tubes. Once in the fallopian tube, cilia push the egg toward the uterus while also helping guide sperm to the egg. Surrounding cells of the egg release chemicals to attract the sperm. The process of fertilization involves 1. Penetration. Sperm burrow through the corona radiata, the outer layer of cells surrounding the egg. 2. Attachment. The sperm bind to specific receptors on the egg's zona pellucida, outer shell. 3. Enzyme release. The sperm's acrosome, a cap-like structure, releases enzymes that digest the zona pellucida, allowing the sperm to reach the egg. 4. Fusion. A single sperm fuses with the egg's plasma membrane, triggering a reaction that prevents other sperm from attaching. Once inside, the sperm's nucleus merges with the egg's nucleus, each contributing 23 chromosomes to form a complete set of 46 chromosomes. This unique genetic blueprint determines the baby's gender, eye color, hair color, and other traits. The fertilized egg is now called a zygote. From zygote to blastocyst. The zygote undergoes rapid cell division while traveling down the fallopian tube to the uterus. By day 5 to 6 after fertilization, it becomes a blastocyst, a hollow structure of about 16 cells. This stage is crucial for development, but only 20 to 30% of fertilized eggs progress to this point. Once the blastocyst hatches from its outer shell, it implants itself into the endometrium, the uterine lining, where it receives oxygen and nutrients. This process, called implantation, occurs about 4 weeks after the start of the last menstrual period. The start of pregnancy. After implantation, the blastocyst begins producing human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, the hormone that signals the ovaries to stop releasing eggs and maintain pregnancy. Around the 5th week of pregnancy, HCG levels are high enough to be detected by a home pregnancy test. At this stage, the blastocyst is called an embryo, and key developmental milestones include Week 4 to 6, the brain, spinal cord, and circulatory system begin forming, and the heart starts beating. Week 6, facial features, including the nose, mouth, and ears, start to form. Week 8, the embryo doubles in size, and buds for arms and legs begin to grow. From embryo to fetus. By week 9 to 12, the embryo transitions into a fetus. At this stage, the fetus is almost fully formed, with recognizable facial features. The head is positioned close to the chest, and the fetus can occasionally touch its face. The reproductive, circulatory, and urinary systems are advanced in development. The diaphragm begins to form, enabling future breathing movements. The fetus measures about 5 centimeters in length and weighs approximately 14 grams. If female, her ovaries already contain millions of immature eggs. If male, the testes begin producing testosterone, essential for male reproductive development. The placenta, connected by the umbilical cord, provides oxygen and nutrients to the fetus while removing waste products. The fetus will continue to grow and mature until ready for birth.